Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on swipe typing on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can swipe your finger across letters to form words instead of tapping each key. So this intelligent gesture-based typing method recognizes your finger path and predicts word accurately using the built-in AI. So let me show you how to do this. So first, we'll go ahead and open up the message app. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on this message area here. And this will basically open up the keyboard, tap on settings. Now from here, this will take you to your Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll down and find swipe touch and feedback. Tap on this, tap on keyboard swipe control. And here you'll see that you need to switch to swipe to type. So make sure it's swipe to type. Now go back and then go ahead and start swiping. So say for example, I'll put down the message as happy birthday. And there you go. So you're just swiping along and it's basically predicting the word for you. So it's significantly faster and more fluid than the traditional typing. It's great for one-handed use and it reduces repetitive stress from tapping. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on swipe typing on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.